Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal to pay for Facebook ads. Navigate to your Business Manager or Ad Account Settings, then look for the Billing and Payment Methods section. This area is where you manage all payment options for your advertising campaigns. It is a crucial first step for setting up any new payment method. You will find it clearly labeled on the left-hand navigation menu, making it easy to locate and begin the setup process for secure transactions. After clicking Add Payment Method, a new window will appear, displaying several payment choices. Carefully select the PayPal option from this list. You will then be prompted to securely log into your PayPal account to approve the connection. This authorization step is vital for linking the two accounts successfully. The entire process takes only a few moments, ensuring your financial information remains private and protected during the setup. Upon successful login on the PayPal website, review the authorization details and confirm the connection. You will then be automatically returned to your Facebook ad account, where PayPal will now visibly appear as an available payment option. Take a moment to verify that it is listed correctly. You also have the flexibility to designate PayPal as your default payment method for all future advertising expenditures, making your billing process even smoother and more convenient from this point forward. With PayPal successfully linked, your Facebook ad campaigns will now be charged via this method. Keep a close eye on your spending and payment history directly within the Facebook ad account dashboard, typically updated every 24 hours. This allows for clear tracking of all expenditures. Using PayPal provides excellent flexibility and security for managing your advertising budget, ensuring peace of mind with every campaign. It simplifies financial oversight, allowing you to focus more on your ad content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.